also get the time, you can see my video of 34th Street, Hudson Yard, R211. That's the brand new train that we will be getting in 2022. And you can see the evolution of the stainless steel subway station in that fine masterpiece of a subway station at Hudson Yard. And the buildings that are outside that station are coming into completion, along with some that are going into the early stages of construction. So the stores are open, and it's really a beehive of activity there at Hudson Yard, so make sure you visit. As I'm suspecting, they're going to be showcasing Roosevelt Island this summer, the summer of 2020, with a cleaning like this. Remember, it's a cleaning that started at least 6 months ago, so make sure you see those videos of the cleaning of Roosevelt Island Station. Light and heavy cleaning. Now we get down to the more intricate part of it, dusting and the ceiling, the stainless steel ceiling. Now comes into the cleaning requirement. The ladders are out. And I think they're saying that there's a train coming down. So, like you guys who utilize the station as your transportation, stay away from the edge of the platform beyond the yellow line.